As we see, in PowerBuilder, especially in 12.5 or below version, this is the looks of MDI frame window. By default it's customizable on back color and no option to set a picture as the background of MDI frame. To display an image as background of MDI frame window in PowerBuilder version 12.5 or below, it needs some trick, and this is a very simple trick to do. Create a window background. Go to File, New, select Tab PB Object, click Window and click OK. Or double-click Window in Tab PB Object. Resize the window's width and height if needed. I do this just an extra 2 cents. In New Windows Painter, go to General tab in the Windows Properties, change the window type to Child, and uncheck Enabled. Center and Border. Insert a picture control to the window. Click Controls toolbar, click Picture Control, and click anywhere in Windows Layout to place the picture control. Change the name's property to P_background and assign a picture file to it. Change the back color property to match the MDI frame window. This is optionally. You can skip if this isn't on your need. Save the window and give it a name like W_background. Create a function in Window Background. Go to Function List tab. Right-click on Empty Area, and click on Add in the pop-up menu. Change return type to None. Type of _center picture in field function name. This function does not need argument, so right-click on Argument Name field and click Delete Parameter. Write scripts like in this screen. The purpose of this function is to place the picture control in the center of its parent, and send back the focus to the parent window of its parent. Save the change of this window again, by clicking on Save button in Toolbar. Add this function to Resize event of window background. This can be done by double-click on Empty Area in Window Background and select Resize in drop-down menu at top next to the window background name, or go to Event Lists tab in Window Background, find and double-click on Resize. In Scripts area of Resize event, type of _center picture, and then save the change of window background. Now, go to MDI frame window. Open it in Design if it's not already opened. Activate the Open event in MDI frame window if it's not displayed when MDI frame window design opened. Go to Event Lists tab, find Open in the list and double-click on it. Write this script on Open Event Scripts Painter. This script is to open the window background as sheet and set MDI frame window as the parent of window background. Next step is write script in Resize's event of MDI frame window. The script on it is to make the size of window background to match to the workspace area of MDI frame window every time the MDI frame window is resizing. Activate the Resizes event in MDI frame window is just like as activating the Open event before. After Resizes event Scripts Painter opened, write the script like in this screen. Note that -120 is used because the window type property of MDI frame window is MDI help. If the window type property of MDI frame window is not MDI help, then -120 is not needed. Save the changes of MDI frame window. And that's it, we are done. This is the result of all that we did. Now, there is some problem with the display of background picture, if we use transparent PNG file format in PowerBuilder version 12.5 or below, like this. To handle that problem we should upgrade the PowerBuilder version to version 12.6 or above. Based on what I've read, this problem is fixed in PowerBuilder version 12.6. But there is another way to the Rome. Instead to upgrading the PowerBuilder version, we can handle this problem with some simple trick. The trick is to reset the picture name property of picture control. Here is how to reset picture name property. For this tutorial, add this script to the function of _center picture in window background. So the script for that function will looks like this. Save the changes and try running the application to see if it is solving the problem. That's all, and this is the end of this tutorial. Hope it useful, and thank you.